What's up, my fellow Pokemon trainers? DJ here, and today I'm back with another Pokemon card opening. And today we have three Pitch Black, or Mega Evolution Pitch Black things. I don't know the exact term for them. So yeah, to have Chandelier. I guess that's a Mega Evolution. I can't exactly tell. And I kind of forgot the name of this one. Oh well. Anyways, so let's open up this first one right here. It's been a while since I did one of these. But yeah, these were gotten from a birthday party for me. From my uncle. Alright, so. Well, this one shows that one mythical Pokemon. Alright, let's get this going. Oh, that's new. They have a different thing for this now. Which reminds me, last time I gave you guys the code, so I'm gonna put this away, if I can use it for the Pokemon Training Card Game Live. I don't remember where I put it. It, like last thing I used. So I don't know if there was more, or there was less, or whatever. I'm not sure. Alright, now for the first card, we have a basic water energy. Great start. Anyways, and then, ooh, Primarina. Okay, next one is Litwick. It has a little, like, shine to it, too. Our next one, Skull Fossil. Oh, it's for one of those, fossil Pokemon. Right. Alright, now we have Seaking. Next one is Fossil Quarry. It's a trainer card, or I assume. Yeah, trainer card. For a second, I thought I was going to say item, but it was also a stadium, I guess. So, oh, Annihilate, that one. It's a stupid glare. Ah. Maybe if I shut off the light on my camera, this should fix that. And then there's Finzen. Never seen the name of this one. There we go. Alright, now we have Nickit, or however you say it. Alright, then we have Charge-a-Bug, or the Minecraft Pokemon. 10. Alright, last one is the, Poltergeist. Probably said that one wrong. Alright. So that's the first pack. So, yeah. Now we have this one. Let's open it. Whoops. Got it. Alright, so this is... Oh, it's the same Pokemon that was on the main one. Alright. Yeah, it's really stuck in there. That should do it. And this one has the Kangaskhan one. Now, last time, or the last pack I opened, I kept the code, so this time I'm going to give you guys the code. There we go. Yay! Alright, so first card is we have a basic... Is that steel energy or normal energy? Kind of looks like steel, but I don't think steel's in this. Alright, then we have... Ooh, Spirit Tomb. That's pretty good. It only has 60 HP, what the heck? Okay. Alright, then we have... Two Cannon. Okay. And we have... Type Null. Interesting. Alright, Sinistchi. I guess that's what it's called. Like, Chi tea or Chai tea, I'm not sure. Alright, next is... Oh, Galadin's Final Battle. Probably said that wrong. It's a trainer card. Alright, next one. Another trainer. We got Gwen. I haven't seen this character before. Next one. Another Nickit. Same card. Oh, we have Bombardier. Alright, then we have Tropus. I believe that's how you say that. I think. I'm not sure. Alright, last one. We have Slowpoke. Alright, pretty interesting cards. Alright, now the next one has the same Pokemon as the other one. Well, that went a lot smoother than last time. Oh, this one has... Is that Darkrai? Yeah, hold on. This one has Darkrai on it. Oh, this one has Pikachu. Alright, so this one I keep for a separate time. Alright, now for the first card of this, we have a basic Dark Energy. Alright, now, ooh, another Primarina. I think it's the same card, though. Our next one. Oh, this is a different card. We got a full art Primarina. This looks pretty cool. Next one. Oh, Mabostiff? I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. I haven't seen this Pokemon that much. Next one. Ooh, Mainrick? I haven't actually seen the name of this one that very often. Alright, next one. Oh, it's Fossil Quarry again. Same card. Next one. Ooh, Lampet. Alright, next one. Oh, Populo. Populo. Yes. Now we just need the mid evolution to actually get that working. Drillbur. Next one. Oh, Grubbin. So we can do the Charge-a-Bug from earlier. Alright. Last one. Another type Null. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, bell icon so don't miss my videos. Comment, ping up, with your friends. Watch my other stuff should be linked in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, and this is DJ signing off.